this fold right here, I wonder if I can get... Now I've been experimenting with something on this piece, and it's called scratching, for scratching out whiskers. So I've been attempting that, and looky there. Oh my gosh, aren't those gorgeous? Those are so sweet. But if you do it too soon, then you end up with black whiskers. And if you end up with too late, nothing happens. If you end up right at the right time, you end up with these little white. And then, oh my gosh, that just adds so much nicer. That is awesome. I like that. I'm going to just soften these edges right here to make that look like it's just coming right into that whisker. Okay, so see how that just pushed all of this back into the background and has now popped his whole chin out into the foreground.